How to fix this site can't be reached problem on your Google Chrome. So if you want to fix this site can't be reached problem on Google Chrome, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your control panel. After opening your control panel, you need to go with the upper right and make sure that you're under the large icons. Once you're under the large icons, you need to search for the internet options. Click on the internet options and you'll get this kind of interface. You need to go with the connections tab and then go with LAN settings. Under LAN settings, you need to uncheck the option of use a proxy server for your LAN. Make sure that it is unchecked and make sure that you've selected automatically detect settings and then go with OK. After that, you need to go with the advanced section and here you need to go with restore advanced settings. And after that, you just need simply go with restore again and then it will ask you if you want to restore. You just need simply go with proceed and go with next. And after that, you need to restore your internet settings. After restarting, you can go with apply and OK. And after that, remove this. After that, you can go with your browser, reload your page and your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is again go with your control panel. And here you need to go with network connections, which is right here. Go with network and sharing center. Under this, you can go with your network. So I'll just simply click on the internet, which I'm using right now. And here you just need to simply go with the properties section. Under properties, now here you need to uncheck the option of Internet Protocol version 6. Make sure that it is unchecked and then go with OK. After doing that, you need to go back and you just need to simply right click on it and you can just simply go and disable for a few minutes. And after disabling, you can again go and enable and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply click on the internet again and then go with properties. And under properties, you need to select the Internet Protocol version 4 and then go with the properties section. Under properties, make sure that you've selected obtain IP address automatically. And here on the bottom, you can go with use following DNS server address and go the server address, enter the address as 8.8.8.8 and then on the bottom on the alternate, you need to go with 8.8.4.4 and then go with OK. But if you still have the issue, then what you can do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Under settings, you can go to the left side and you need to search for a network reset and click on the network reset. And from here, you will have the network reset. You just need to simply click on the network reset and then go with reset now. And after resetting your network settings, then your problem might be fixed. Now you can restart your device and after that, go with your browser and reload your page and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.